Welcome to the next part in my cycling adventure, and we are nearly home. And so we are just crossing through Germany. And in Germany, there was some of these lovely roads here, like a little bit hilly, little, but beautiful scenery. And before we knew it, we were in Holland. Now, this is Holland here. And Holland is a cyclist dream. It is a dream to cycling. So in Holland, the roads are super flat. There's loads of roads built for cyclists. Like here is a normal road with cars, That's a car. Well, that is the worst car ever. Let's do that again. So here is a normal road for cars, and on the side of the road, there is a cycle path for cyclists, obviously. And it was beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful to cycle in Holland. But because it was so smooth, that we completed the journey pretty quickly. And so when we reached the Hook of Holland, we took the ferry. Once again, we took the ferry. So this is where we would be taking the ferry from the Hook of Holland. And so we are at the final part of our trip. Now we are here in the Hook of Holland. Oh, let's change the color. We are here in the Hook of Holland, and we took a ferry across the ocean to Harwich, which is quite close to the worst city in the UK, which is Ipswich. Don't go there. And when cycling back, and we saw the first sign of Norwich, we cycled really quickly, really quickly. This is us in the very fast, really fast. And soon enough, we were back home in Norwich, and we had cycled roughly 4,000 miles, maybe more, maybe less. And yeah, I don't know. It was an intense trip. It took us roughly 10 weeks. We slept in multiple different places. We had good days. We had bad days. We had days where we loved each other, and there's days where we hated each other. Um, but yeah, we did it, and it's still something that we're extremely proud of to this day. It's something we talk about often, and I think we want to do it again. Maybe a different trip or a smaller trip, but we'll see. But if you can find the time, I highly recommend doing a trip like this. Maybe not so long, you can do something shorter, but you don't need much money, really. If you wild camp and you eat cheap food, you can do some pretty amazing stuff. And so yeah, that's it for the series, nearly. I will be making one more video about any tips and tricks that I have and things that I learned from this trip. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.